everybody? Supreme Family Garden here. And today, guys, just a little talk showing you guys what we're still up to out here in the garden. Now, our temperatures in Central Florida are supposed to go down in the low 30s. So, one of my navel oranges this year here, I don't know why, guys. I don't know what God's telling me. But anyway, trees that, especially plum trees that I've had, never gave off blossoms. Honey, if you can zoom in that way, straight out there. Loaded, but it's too early in the year. So I came up with a little method tonight to save one of my navel oranges, all right? So how you doing? All right. So anyway, guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab some logs because up here in these country bayous, we can burn fires and stuff all night and we don't get in trouble. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have a fire by my navel orange. Nothing crazy, just a little something to keep as the wind blows, because it rained earlier, so the ground's damp. I don't have to worry about catching a fire or nothing. But I'm just gonna put logs in here so it'll burn for a few days. That way it'll keep that tree good to go. Go ahead, honey. Well, you got a slave husband. Hope everybody's having a beautiful, beautiful Sunday, because we sure are. We were supposed to go out on the town last night, but it never happened. When I turn 55, I'm gonna get a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, half acre, maybe an acre. Depends how healthy I am, because I don't know if I want to do all this when I get old. Some things you just don't want to get used to. All right, guys, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you the tree just for 1 second. Come on, honey, follow me. No, they don't want to see that. That's called waste. All right, guys, again, look at all the blossoms on this tree. Now, if you can look against my rusty hands here, there's blossoms almost on every limb of this navel orange. What variety of navel? Not sure, just navel. Also, with that fire going at night, that's going to bring the temperature down about an extra 10 to 15 degrees, so I may not lose a lot of these. That's what I'm hoping, and that's what we're praying for, because I love some navel oranges. When you split them open and you grab the little navel part and just stick it in your mouth, oh man, all kinds of good. See right here, guys. Now these, if the cold does not last, these we might actually be able to keep on the tree. Here's another one. See right there, baby? I mean, there's probably 200-300 on this tree. Yeah, you had to show them, baby. She's back here showing me the thing and not showing you guys, like I don't know what's on the damn tree. Suave. All right, guys, and how we're actually gonna feed this tree is one of my neighbors, he actually went out on his, I think to his parents, and he caught a bunch of different catfish, and because he know we do a lot of gardening over here. You probably can put the camera on me now, baby, instead of shining it that way. Let them look at me just a little bit. So what we're gonna do is since they're blossoming right now, we're gonna show you guys how we're gonna feed this tree. Other than the leaves, the mulch that we've been using, is gonna be some fish. And I'm not gonna show you guys because I'm not walking all the way to the front of the house, but I'm going to tell you. So what I'm gonna do is after I put the fish around it, I'm gonna cover with leaves, some mulch, and coffee grounds on top. That's going to detour any animals to come and get it. That always works for us. Just kind of go heavy on the coffee grounds, and if it starts to clump up, just slightly rake it a little bit because it's only going to take like a good week for that fish to really be gone. So again, let me go. Where am I going, honey? Oh, I'm going to get the cooler with the fish. You know, the fellas are up here playing basketball. I'm hoping they're gonna help their daddy today. I'm gonna see. Hey, fellas, come here for 1 second. Well, they hear enough, baby. It's all the same. Come here, real quick, real quick. Julian, Junior, get. Oh, guys, we're gonna show you our blue mural bulldog. Come here, boy. Come here, cat. That a boy. That's daddy's boy. Oh. All right, guys, this is our blue little bully bulldog. We made him ourselves. See his color? He is a beautiful, beautiful dog. No, hold on, guys. I need you to help me just for 1 second, and you can go. Me, son, you grab a cooler. Julie, you can relax. Yeah. You two grab a cooler and just take it back there.
The one who's winning should do it.
No, grab that side.
Oh, it's tied.
No, you grab that one. You grab that one, Julian.
He could grab.
Is that one heavy? Switch with Junior. Switch with him, Junior.
Jaden could help him.
No.
Jaden's weak. This one's way heavier. Why do you need 2 people for that one?
Because he wants you to get strong.
Yeah, you have to get strong. You and Julian both, and Jaden.
I beat you up twice yesterday.
No, you didn't.
I beat you in your mouth and made you bleed.
I go to the gym. And that's a good thing?
And yes, it is. No, it's not. No, it's not. Didn't even hit him. You hit the ball. Okay, Jimmy, look. This is no pillow. This is him.
All right, fellas. Thank y'all. All right, guys, I'm going to go in here and I think I should get a hole and build a trench and kind of show them how I'm going to do it.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, follow me, guys, over here to the shed. Look at them. Look. Show the camera. Y'all pray for my kids, okay? Stop what you're doing right now and pray for my children. I'm just teasing. There's some good boys. Now, guys, after living out here in these boondocks for 7 years, I never had to put a combination lock on here until now. Oh, Lord, I think I forgot the number.
I have it in my phone.
75. I know not to say the whole thing. Like somebody gonna come over YouTube, we gonna steal Supreme's hoe and his rake. Nobody want my hoe and rake.
So why you put the lock on there then, babe?
Because it might be some strange people, and they might want to try and steal my rakes and hoes. I got good cobalt tools in there. See, women don't understand. We men, we like our rakes and shovels. See, I wear like old shoes, like $19.99, but I buy me an $80 shovel.
What? How much are your shoes? $19.99?
Remember the ones I bought from the dollar store for $10? Babe, I got these from J.C. Penney's.
That is not $9.99.
No, they were like $19.99, and I had a coupon. 7525. Hold on, y'all. I gotta go on my phone and find my code to get in my own shed. Ain't that something?
All right, we're gonna pause the video.
All right, honey. You know what? Should I use a hoe so I can go quicker, or a spade shovel?
Shovel, spade shovel.
Just bought this the other day. Mm-hmm. Nope, sure don't. I'm gonna wait till I plant something special. Use that one. You can leave it open, honey. All right, guys, what I'm gonna do is, cause it's getting dark, but I'm sure you guys are very smart and you'll get the gist of what I'm about to do. I don't know, you know what? Let me pour some of it out. I'm afraid to open this stuff up. No, I need to teach him how to behave and, oh man. It's still cold in these Yetis too, babe. Oh man, I almost feel bad doing this.
That's a lot of fish.
It sure is to go bad. Just some catfish and tilapia. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hold some of this out. I'm gonna really have to do a lot of it tomorrow. I just kind of want you guys just to kind of see what I am gonna do along these edges, because as you guys can see, I'm right here at the drip. So I'm gonna dig a little deeper. Look at the earthworms. Get down, cat. And guys, if you're wondering why I'm calling my dog Cat, because my son thinks he's He-Man, so we call the dog Battle Cat. So we got He-Man, Battle Cat. Old school people know what that is. You young bucks, you don't know nothing about that. All right, so what we're gonna do is take a catfish. No, cat. No, no. Get back, get yourself back. That's not for you. Now what I am gonna do, no doggy. He's like, well, you called me cat, so I'm gonna eat the fish. So what I'm gonna do is dig this baby out here. Get back, boy. Like that. And I'm gonna put him in there like that. Where's the other one? Like that. I'm gonna cover his butt up like that. Slightly grade this here way. Like that there. Pump him down like that. And then what I'm gonna do is try and clear back. I'll just plant them sporadically in just different areas. That way I can feed the entire tree. Just don't want to go too deep. Those are blackberries. Yeah, but so here guys, just grade lightly because you do not want to damage those roots, especially now that they're giving off fruit.
Are you selling the blackberries?
Yeah, I don't want them. I pulled them out from last year because they make it look hideous. Just clean around it like that. And then I'll put like a fish here in that area. I'll place one here. Go a little deep. There's no roots there, as you guys can see. You don't want many roots down in there. You don't want to hurt the tree while it's fruiting. And then you just place one in there. Put some coffee grounds inside and cover it up, decorate it, leave it till next year, and you should be fine. Supreme Family Garden, better yards, better gardens. May God bless each and every one of you. Good night.